Hi, I'm Des Mardle, G6WCX. I'm going to be talking to you today about the basic receiver. Okay, let's start by defining the signals used in this demonstration. Speech signals normally vary between 300 Hz and 3 kHz. For this demonstration, I will be modulating the carrier with a 1 kHz tone. The carrier frequency would normally be above 30 kHz. For this demonstration, I'll be using a 30 kHz carrier. There could be two modulation types in this configuration. Amplitude modulation, where the amplitude of the carrier is varied with the speech signal. And frequency modulation, where the frequency of the carrier is modulated with the speech signal. Okay, let's take a look at what each of the blocks do in a block diagram, starting at the aerial. The aerial receives small RF signals or radio signals and passes them to a tuned RF amplifier. The tuned RF amplifier selects the required signal we want to listen to and amplifies it high enough to pass to a detector. The job of the detector is to recover the audio from the carrier. The audio is then passed to an audio amplifier, which then amplifies the signal large enough to drive a loudspeaker. Okay, let's have a look at the signals between the blocks on the block diagram, starting at the aerial on the oscilloscope. The yellow trace represents a small radio signal being received by the aerial. This is then passed to the tuned RF amplifier, which selects the signal we want to listen to and amplifies it large enough to pass to the detector. This is represented by the blue trace on the oscilloscope. The detector recovers the audio from the carrier. This is represented by the pink trace on the oscilloscope, and I've deliberately not filtered the output of the detector to show you the recovered envelope. This is then passed to the audio amplifier, which amplifies the signal large enough to drive the loudspeaker. This is represented by the green trace on the oscilloscope. Okay, this completes my demonstration of a basic receiver. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the box below. Thanks for watching.